In this video, I will show you how to make Rakhi using staples. This is for the one who likes handcrafted gifts. So the supplies are, we need staples. We need 12 grips of staples that are 4 together. I will explain you once again. We need 12 grips of staples that are 4 together. Less than 4 staples will make the Rakhi unstable. So, always take the large staples, not the small ones. And a centerpiece, take any item that has a flat surface and a glue and a ribbon. You can use Fevibond also. Now put one staple in the corner of the other. Put your hand down so that they can't move. And grip these 2 staples with a 3rd staple. The long staple should be parallel to the first staple like this. Put the next staple in the same way. Make sure to hold the staples so that they can't move. Now we continue in this pattern until we reach the last staple. Now adjust the last staple according to the design. Make sure to hold the entire pendant, that is Rakhi, properly because the staples are not well secured now. We have to secure them using a glue. When you are doing this, use the large staples, big staples. If you do the same using the small staples, you won't figure out the design. Now secure the staples using a glue. Attach the centerpiece also. You can use any kind of glue. You can use Fevicol also. I hope you understood the whole process. Tell me in the comments below. And if you like it, please share my video with your friends. Thanks for watching.